company, man. Leave that man alone. Leave that police.
No, he's not going to smoke on the train.
How come the rest of the guys don't get involved? Leave that man alone.
I will not allow it.
You're not a cop. How come the rest of the guys don't get involved?
Put it out, or I hold the train.
Hold the train.
All right.
West. Let me buy another one.
No, I won't allow it.
They want to get home, man.
Get a police officer.
You don't want to smell it till you get up.
Get a cop.
You're more than about to
Get a cop. Get a cop. Because someone's smoking on the train and I'm not going to let the doors close. Get a cop.
Mister.
No. No.
You man put it out.
That's right. You'll put it out. You'll show some respect for the people around you. End of story.
Well, the smell is still in the train, man. I'm trying to,
No,
the smell
it
is
doesn't
still
matter.
there. The smell is
He'll
still
fall
there.
for the rules like everybody else.
I hear what you're saying, but the smell is still here, you know.
Thank you for showing some respect for the people around you.
Let me ask you a question.
Yes.
Why you don't show respect?
I'm sorry?
Why you don't show respect for
Why don't I show respect for what? American people? Are you kidding? You're going to smoke on a closed space.
Sir,
You show respect.
you out the car. You out. Out. Come out now. You gotta come out. The cops is coming on you. You gotta come out now.
I'm sorry, it's a matter of respect.
You gotta come out.
Hold the gentleman to him, put it out.
No, not to put it out. You smoke inside the car.
You broke the
illegal
law.
to smoke inside
You
the
broke the
car.
law.
You gotta out. You gotta get out.
Bye-bye.
Why do you
All right,
gotta
then
get
we'll wait
out?
for the cops.
We'll wait for
The cops is coming.
You want to put the cigarette out so it can't close, end the story.
It's not a matter of respect for me, for you. It's a matter of respect for you, for the world.
You want to put the cigarette out
I
so
have
let's
great
go,
respect for
man.
you.
You know,
You
can
decided
tell all
that,
that bullshit.
no. You decided the rules didn't apply to you.
We are being legal, sure.
Oh, hell no.
Name one.
This is ridiculous.
Name one.
Rob,
You don't know me. I've robbed.
have you ever wrong?
No, I haven't.
You got the criminal record.
I have no criminal record.
Put it on, please.
This is a great day for you. Because it starts with respect for the people around you. I'm sorry.